welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nzinga Siren. If it's your first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If it's not your first time and you're rocking with me, thank you for rocking with me. Okay, excuse the mess. Please excuse the way I am looking right now. I wanted to share with you guys how I revert from straight back to my curls, because I have been wearing my hair straight for about a month now. Like, this silk press, it is extremely old, and I've been going to the gym, so it's like the roots, I'm sweating them out, and it's dirty, it's itching, like my scalp is itching. So I want to show you guys how I go back to my curls. So I'll be using aloe vera today as a pre-poo. You can use it as a deep conditioner or a mask. Aloe vera is really good for you naturally. Actually, it's good like when your hair is like dry and brittle. It's good to bring back moisture into the hair. If you have dandruff or dry scalp, it is good for that as well, and it promotes growth. So I'm gonna be using it as a pre-poo, and I'm gonna show you guys how I cut it this way. So I'm gonna insert the clip right now. So cutting the aloe vera is pretty easy. I just remove this bottom part of it it's of no use, and then I just cut it in half, and then this half right here that I'm using, I cut that in 3 pieces. And then I went ahead and removed the prickly things like from the side of it right here, and then I just sliced each pieces like down the middle, and that's it, guys. As for the other piece that I didn't use, the remaining half, I did put it in a plastic bag and I placed it in the fridge so I can use it in the future.
Stop it, Gucci, stop it, Louis V, yeah. On me, fly you out the beach, full speed, so for that Paris, on me, keep all of your things.
So I'm gonna put this in my hair right now. I'm also gonna put some oil over it, on top of it, and then I'm gonna sit like for 30 minutes with my hair under a plastic cap, just so it can penetrate my hair more, and then I'm gonna wash it out after. So yeah. So I put my hair in 4 sections, as you guys can see, and I'm just detangling it. And then I'm gonna mist it with some water. I'm not gonna like drench it, but I want it to be like damp. So yeah.
Oh, not the cake, oh, she can stay in my room, she can stay in my room, and it ain't mine.
So for the aloe vera, I'm just gonna use like my finger and like poke into it, because it's slimy, so that's what I want. It's like the gel for me. So I'm just gonna poke it, and then I'm just gonna rub it in my hair, focusing mainly on my roots. So I'm just gonna repeat this on all the sections, and I will come back when I'm putting back the cap on. Alright guys, so I have finished applying aloe vera to all sections. So now I'm just gonna go in with my oil, and I think I have peppermint and black castor oil in this mixture.
Full speed, so for that Paris, speed post, baby, and make it beat. Waves in my air, smoking weed. Been through the sand in the deep. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Light sweet, baby. I ain't stop, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the process. Andre had to bounce it.
So oil is added to all 4 sections, and now I'm just gonna put my plastic cap over my head. So So I'm gonna let this sit for like 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna meet you guys in the shower when I'm washing my hair. So if y'all not new here, y'all know that my go-to shampoo and conditioner is by the brand Aussie. If you are new, there you go, sweetheart. My go-to conditioner and shampoo is by the brand Aussie. So I first go in and I shampoo my hair twice, and then I will rinse it out and follow up with the 3-minute deep conditioner. That's what it says on the bottle, that it works in 3 minutes. But for me, what I do is once I apply the conditioner, I detangle my hair, and then I put a plastic cap over it and let that sit for the remaining time that I am in the shower for. So if I'm taking a shower for like 10, 15, 20 minutes, the cap is sitting there on my head until I finish up my shower. So I know it says 3 minutes, but babes, I don't go off what it says, 15, 20 minutes. That's how long I keep it in my hair for. I love this combination. It's perfect. It works every time. So if it's not broken, I am not gonna fix it. So yeah, this is my go-to shampoo and condition duo.
Never falling, why you making problems? I've been silent, why you making problems? I'm a problem, being rich is not my fault. You decide, who you think you should reside with? I've been quiet, hard to miss me.
Alright guys, so here we are. And I really don't think that I might have ruined my curl pattern a little bit, but that's okay, because I really do enjoy wearing my hair straight, so it's okay. It's okay. So this Awesome Miracle Curl Cream Pudding that I usually use for my wash and go, I am out and I never even realized, as I would have picked up one from Walmart. But I'm gonna use the little that I have, and I'm gonna put that in my hair. And I'm also gonna oil my scalp and leave it to like hair dry. I'm not gonna blow dry it.
Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me.
And here guys, that is how I revert from straight to curly. Honestly, like after a few days, I might do a what's it called? I don't know. I'm just gonna like rinse this out with my condition. What's it called again? Co-wash. I might do a co-wash and then straighten my hair again, honestly. It's so much more manageable when it's straight. I don't have time for this. I don't have time for this. Or I might get this braid down. Probably like 10 braids going backwards so I can throw my wig on. Cause it's wig season again, y'all. Wig season is back by popular demand, and I am popular demand. Yeah, I remember that I did color my hair like from the roots, so all this is new growth. Any black that you're seeing, that's new growth, okay?
Full speed, sweet and shiny. Rolls Royce black and hidden deals. Bags full of $100 bills.
So that's it guys. So that's how I revert my hair from straight to curly. I'm just gonna leave my hair in this little style until it's dry, just so I don't like touch it, and not too much manipulation, but I also don't want it in my face too much. So yeah, it's not perfect. It's nothing like a style to wear out. I am not going anywhere today, so I'm just gonna be around the house while it's air dry. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumb up, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so, and I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye guys, later.